Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pay Classes. So today we're going to solve assignment number 2 of string chapter, that is chapter number 11. So let us start. The first question I gave was based on the function caret. What does caret do? It extracts a particular character at a given location. So we have a string Hathi Mera Sathi and we're trying to find caret at 0. So we have a string Hathi Mera Sathi. So if you write down the location, H is 0, A is 1, T is 2, H is 3, I is 4, this space is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So these are the location of the string. So every time you solve a string question or a string output, first take the string and find the location. Then I want to find the character at location 0. Character at location 0 is H. So what will be stored in B? H will be stored. So what will get printed? H will get printed. Similarly, caret at 1. That is small a. So small a will get printed. At 16, I. At 17, there is no character at 17 because the location starts from 0 and ends at 16. So it will give you an error. What error? It will be a runtime error. It will give you a runtime error. Similarly, for -1 also it will give you a runtime error. So it is what type of runtime error? You can say that it is out of bound runtime error. It is out of bound runtime error. Let us run this program to see how the error looks. So I am running this program. See, index out of range or out of bound. It is index out of bound error. But you can see we have got the answer as HAI and then we got the error. So first HAI will be printed because all the three were correct. Then the program will stop because there is an error, a runtime error that is present in caret of 17, which is not possible. Next question was based on concat. The string function concat is used to join two strings. Alternatively, you can also use a plus sign to join two strings. So here first you are concating A with B, string A with string B. So what will be stored in string D? In string D it will be stored इसके साथ इसको जोड़. Again you are joining C with D. C is उससे पहले ये जो, D is the new string, that is इसके साथ इसको जोड़. तो finally you will print उससे पहले ये जोड़ इसके साथ इसको जोड़. Let us see how it looks. This was a very easy question. It is just joining of strings. See, the first print was इसके साथ इसको जोड़. The second was उससे पहले ये जोड़ इसके साथ इसको जोड़. Here you can see there is no space between जोड़ and is. But here there is space because here space was given in the string. But here space was not given. Remember, while using concat, it will not create space automatically. In the first case, space was coming because we gave a space. But in the second case, there was no space. So concat will not create spaces automatically between strings. You have to remember that. People do mistake in this. They give a space by themselves. No, there will be space only if the string contains a space, like this case. Next we'll go to substring. Substring is a very important string function because this will be used in our programs. So we have a string, please extract yahan se yahan tak, and another string with please extract only isko, not sabko. So let us first find the location so that it will be easier to solve. First string is please extract yahan se yahan tak. So let us write down the location It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then from Y, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and this space is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Then from T, 30, A is 31, and last one K is 32. So it will start from 0 and it will end at 32. So in the first case, what you are trying to do? Substring of 15 means it will extract all the characters starting from the location 15. So where is 15? Here is 15, that is Y. So it will extract from Y till end. So we will get the answer as yahan se yahan tak. Okay, this is for the first one. For the second one, we have a different string. Please extract only isko, not sabko. So let us find the location for this string also. So P is 0, L is 1, E2, A3, S4, E5, space 6. Then for the next word, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then from only, it is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. From isko not, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Then sabko 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And in the question it is asking to extract from 20 to 24, means from 20 to 24. But remember, in theory we studied that the slash location Java will automatically subtract -1. So it will be from 20 to 23. From 20 to 23. That is 20 is I, 21, 22, 23. So we'll get the answer as isko for the second. So let us print and check if our answer is correct. Yes, yahan se yahan tak, and the second one is isko. Let us solve the next question, which is based on index of. So I have already explained you that the index of is just opposite of caret, you can say. The caret, extract a character at a given location. Index of returns the position of a given character. So here we have a string, kahan kho gaya hai D, dhoondo use. And we are trying to find the index of capital D. So in this string you can see there is only one capital D. If there would have been multiple capital D's, then the first occurrence would have been your answer. So we have to find the location of D. So K is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here your answer will be 18 for the first bit. In second case, I am trying to find the location of D starting from 15. This is the second syntax of index of. Means we will not start counting from 0, but we will start counting from 15. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will start checking from W. So if you start checking from W, which is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So your second answer will be 25. That is for D1 it is 25. For D it is 18. For D1 it is 25. Let us do for E. For the string B, last index of D, means starting from backwards. The first occurrence is this D. So again your answer will be 25. Then F, for string C, index of D. So here you can see that there is no D. So what will be the answer? Okay, you have to remember, if a particular character is not present in a given string, then it will give the answer as -1. So you can say that. So -1 means the character was not found, or the character is not present in a given string. It will not give you any error. It will return the value as -1. So we should get the answer as 18, 25, -1, 25. Let us run and check if our answer is correct. 18, 25, -1, 25. So we solved it correctly. And the last one we are going to solve is compare to, which is again a very important string function. So first let us write all the string we have, that is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, we have 3 strings. A we have ladka, B we have ladki, C we have ladkas, and D we have ladkis, followed by 4s. Okay, clear? So first we are comparing A with B. A with B. So it will be ladka minus ladki. In compare to, you just have to subtract. LL cancel, AA cancel, DD cancel, KK cancel. AI cannot be cancelled. That is A minus I. So A is the first alphabet and I is the 9th alphabet. So answer is -8. You can solve like this if you don't know the ASCII value. If you know the ASCII value, then capital A is 65 and I is 73. So you'll get the answer as -8. In both the case, you'll get the same answer. This is without using ASCII value. This is with using ASCII value. Next, it is B compared to A, means ladki minus ladka. It is opposite of the previous case. LL cancel, AA cancel, DD cancel, KK cancel, I minus A. I minus A. I is 73, A is 65, so we'll get the answer as 8. So here, minus means the first string is smaller than second string, and positive value means the first string is bigger than the second string. So you can say that ladki is bigger than ladka, or ladki is greater than ladka. Next we are comparing A with C. So A we have ladka and C we have ladkas. LADKA, all cancelled. So in this type of cases, we'll see how many characters are left after subtracting everything. So in the first case 0 and the second case 1. So answer is 0 minus 1, that is -1. Second case, we are comparing the opposite C with A, that is ladkas minus ladka. LADKA cancel. In the first case, you have 1 character left. In the second case, we have 0 character left. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Next, we are comparing C with D, that is ladkas with ladkis. Ladkas with ladkis. LADK, A minus I. You don't have to bother about this. We are only going to subtract A minus I, which is -8. Similarly, if you compare D with C, that is ladkis with ladkas. LADK cancel, I minus A, and the answer is 8. You don't have to solve the rest of the part. You have to subtract only once. So we solved everything. Now let us check the answer. So our answer is correct. Minus 8, 8, minus 1, 1, minus 8, 8. So now we have solved all the questions of the given assignment. In the next class, we will be studying about more string function and character function. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.